Hello children, hope you all are safe and good. So children, in the previous class we have learnt about the laws of exponents, right? So have you all learned that? Have you all learnt all the 7 laws of exponents formulas? Okay, learn it properly. Okay children, and also have you all did your homeworks? Okay, do your homework properly. Okay children, so in this class we are going to learn standard form and scientific notations. Okay, standard form and scientific notations. Okay children, see what is mean by the standard form. See, let me show you some of the examples. See, volume of Jupiter is, okay, a volume is given, right, somewhat a biggest number, right? So 143 trillion 300 billion kilometer cube. Okay, this is in the standard form. Is it clear children? And the size of bacterium, it is 0.0000025 millimeter. So it is in the standard form. Okay children, and the diameter of the earth is crore. Okay, 1 crore 27,000, okay, 27 lakhs and 56,000 miles. Okay, so all these are given in standard form. Okay children, so now in this class we are going to learn how to convert a standard form to scientific notations and how to convert these scientific notations to standard form. Okay children, so can you all understood what is the standard form? See, standard form means somewhat a biggest number. Okay, we are going to write in the scientific notation to make it read easier. Okay, make it learn or read easier. For that purpose we are using this scientific notations. Is it clear children? Okay, let us see about that. See, I had given some of the standard form of some of the numbers. Okay, for all these numbers we are going to write in the scientific notation. Is it clear children? Okay, let us see about that. So while writing standard form, we should have the first digit in front of the decimal point. Okay, we need the only the first digit alone. Okay, if you are having 247, okay, only the first digit alone should be in front of the decimal point. Is it clear children? Okay, so let us do this. Keep it in your mind, only the first digit should be in front of the decimal point. Okay, so now let us start writing in the scientific notations. So as by our condition, okay, now we are having 1235, right? As by our condition, we need to have only one digit in front of the decimal point, right? So how will you write this? 1.235. Okay, now how many steps we just move the point in front? Where is the point? Okay, after this 5 we are having point. Okay children, see, after the point we put how, okay, these many zeros means also there is no value, right? So after the 5 we are having the decimal point. Okay children, now we just had moved the point after this 1, okay, after the first digit. Okay, so now is these two are same? No, right? These two are not same. So now what we need to do to make it as same? See, we need to multiply into 10. Okay, now we are just going to count the digits. Okay, count the digits. How many digits the point have been skipped? Okay, see, now the point is here, right? See, it's moving the first step, second step and third step. 3 times it has moved, right? So that we need to put 3. Okay, so 1.235 into 10 to the power 3. Okay children, it is a scientific notation for this 1235. Is it clear children? Okay, see, if the point moves front, okay, if the point moves in the left side means we need to put, okay, if the point moves in the left side means we need to put plus, okay, that means plus 3. Okay, but if the point moves in the right side means we need to put the negative sign in the power. Is it clear children? See, if the point moves in the left side means we need to put the plus sign. Okay, see, the point moves in the left side, right? So it moves 3 steps in the left side. So that we just had put plus 3 in the power. Is it clear children? Okay, let us do the next one. See, we are having 123.5. Okay, let us write this in scientific notation. So what is our first condition? We need to have only one digit in front of the decimal point. Okay, children, now let us write. See, we need to write it as 1.235. Okay, see, we are having only one digit before the decimal point. Is it clear, children? So now we need to put into 10. Okay, now we need to count the digits. How many digits this decimal point have skipped in? Okay, now count. See, the point is here, right? See how many digits? 1, 2. 2 digit, it just moved forward. So it is moving in the left side, right? So that the power can be in the positive sign. So 2 times it was skipped. So power 2. Is it clear, children? Okay, let us do the next one. See, 12.35. Okay, so by our condition, we need to have only one digit before the decimal point. So 1.235 into 10 to the power. Okay, now count how many digits the point skipped. So 1 point, right? 1 point in the left side. So we can put the power 1. Okay, children, is it clear? Okay, let us do the next one. See, 1.235. See, 1.235. So the same one we have written. So how we can write this in scientific notation? Again, we need to put into 10 power 0. Okay, into 10 power 0. Why we are just putting the power 0? See, 10 power 0 means a power 0. We are learnt in exponents rule, right? 0 exponent rule. A power 0 is 1, right? See, if you are multiplying 1.235 into 1, what will you get? The same answer we will get, right? 1, 2 is 2, right? If you are multiplying anything with 1 means we will get the same answer, right? So that we are just putting 1.235 into 10 to the power 0. Is it clear, children? Okay, let us do the next one. See, here we are having 0.1235. Okay, as by condition, we need to have one digit in front of the decimal point, right? See, here we are having only one digit in front of the decimal point. Is it right? No. Okay, so the given number, we should not have the 0 as the first digit. 0 the first digit varave kudadu. Okay, wow. So the first digit should be this 1. Okay, so let us write 1.235. Okay, so now we just moved only 1 digit in front of the decimal point, and also we need to put into 10. Okay, so how many digits the point skipped? So one digit, right? So one digit, it just moved in which direction? In the right side. So if the point moves in the right side means we need to put the power in the negative sign. So -1. Is it clear, children? So if the point moves in the left side, okay, left side means we need to put plus sign in the power. So if the point moves in the right side means we need to put negative sign in the power. Okay, now it moves right side, so that we need to put minus sign in the power. So now we got 1.235 into 10 to the power -1. Is it clear, children? Okay, let us do the next one. See, 0.01235. So as a condition, we need to have only one digit before the decimal point. That number should not be 0. So that we need to start from this one. So 1.235 into 10 to the power. Okay, now count how many digits the point had skipped. 1, 2. Okay, 2 digits it was skipped in which direction? In right side. Okay, through the right side. So we need to put -2. Okay, let us do the next one. See, 0.001235. Okay, now before the decimal point we should have only 1. Okay, 1.235 into 10 to the power. So now count how many digits the decimal point skipped. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 digits it just moved. So in the right side, so we need to put -3. Okay, so 1.235 into 10 to the power -3. Is it clear, children? Okay, the next one. See, here we are having 0.0001235. Okay, 0.0001235. So the first digit should be only the number, okay, numbers except 0, right? See here 1 is there, so 1.235 into 10. So now count how many digits, the zeros, the point had skipped. So 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 4 times, okay, 4 steps it was moved in the right side. So power is minus 4, okay children. So 1.235 into 10 to the power minus 4. Is it clear children? So this is called scientific notation, okay, very easy, right? See, for it is a smaller number, so simply we just read out 1235, right? But if it is this one, okay, 143 trillion 300 billion kilometer cube means, is it easier to read? No, right? So for that purposes we can use the scientific notations very easily. Okay children, okay, let us write the scientific notation for all these three. Okay children, see the first one, the volume of Jupiter is 143 trillion 300 billion kilometer cube. So how will you write this as in the scientific notation? So first of all, the number, okay, only one digit we should have before the decimal point, right? So we can write it as 1, okay, 1.43, and 3 is there, okay, 3. We should not write as many zeros here. Okay, for that we can put into 10. Okay, so now where is the decimal point? The decimal point is here, okay, the decimal point is here. So just count, okay, how many steps the point is moving forward. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, okay. How many steps? It just moved 14 steps. In the left side or right side? In the left side, okay. Left side means we need to put plus sign, so plus 14, okay. So 1.433 into 10 to the power 14 kilometer cube. So we had easily returned the scientific notation, right? Is it clear children? Okay, let us do the next one. Size of bacterium is, see, size of bacterium is 0.000000025 millimeter. So how will you write the scientific notation for this? See, as a condition, we need to have only one digit before the decimal point, okay. See, then we should not have 0, right? We should have a number except 0. So we can start from this 2. So 2.5 into 10. Okay, 10 to the power. So now we need to move the point, decimal point, right? So how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many digits? 7 digits. 7 digits in the right side or left side? Right side, is it? So right side means we need to put negative sign in the power. So minus 7. Is it clear children? Very easy, right? So we are just going to check whether the point moves in the right side or left side. Okay children, and then let us see the third one. Diameter of the earth is, see, 1,27,56,000 miles. So how will you write this in the scientific notation? We need to have only one digit before the decimal point. So how will you write? 1.2756. Okay, we should write all the numbers except 0. Okay, so if there is remaining zeros means just put into 10. Okay, power now. Where is the decimal point? Okay, the decimal point is here. Okay, so now let us check how many steps this point is moving. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 7. Okay, children. So 7 steps it was moving. So it is moving in the left side, right? So if the point moves in the left side means we need to put the power in the positive sign. So 7, okay, 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7 miles. Okay, here mm, here miles. Is it clear, children? So while comparing the standard form, while comparing the number, okay, number name of standard form, we can read the scientific notation very easily, right? So that is the purpose of this scientific notation. Is it clear, children? So if you are having these many zeros means in counting we can miss these zeros, right? So for that purpose we can use this scientific notation. Okay, children? Okay, take your classwork notebook. Put today's date. Write the question of example 1.39 in your classwork notebook. Okay, write this question in your classwork notebook. Example 1.39. Okay, let us read this question. Combine the scientific notations. Okay, we are going to combine these scientific notation. Okay, 2 scientific notations are given, and also here also 2 scientific notations are here. Okay, children. So we are going to combine this. How will you combine? So if you are having 2 brackets means it is considered as multiply, right? Okay. So now it is multiply. Okay. So 7 into 10 power 2 into 5.2 into 10 power 7. Okay, children. So now, okay, let us write this 10 power 2, okay, here also 10 power 7, okay. Let us write this, okay. Let us write this nearer, and let us write the next other numbers nearer, okay, children. So we can write it as 7 into 5.2 into 10 power 2 into 10 power 7. See, if you are having a power m into a power n, how will you write? A power m plus n, right? So we can write it as 7 into 5.2 into 10 power 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2, what will you get? 7 power 9. Okay, so 10 power 9. Okay, sorry, 10 power 9. Okay, children, 10 power 9. Okay, now what we need to do for these 2 numbers? We need to multiply. Okay, children, now let us multiply. See, 5.2 into 7. So now multiply 2 sevens are 14. Okay, 4. And write 1 as the carry. So 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 1, 36. So now we got 364. Is it clear, children? See, how many digits? Okay, so only 1 digit before the decimal point we need to have the point, right? But here we are having 36.4, right? 36.4 is here. So now we got 36.4 into 10 to the power 9. Is it right? Is it right for the scientific notations? No, right? So our condition is to have only 1 digit in front of the decimal point, right? So what we need to do? We need to move the decimal point. Okay. See, now we got the answer as 3.64 into 10. Okay. 2 to the power 9 is already there. So for this 10 to the power 9 is already there. So for moving this 1 point in front, so what we need to put? 10 power 1, right? 10 power 1 in the left side. So left side, if you are moving left side means we need to put plus sign. Okay, we need to put plus sign. So 10 power 1 into 10 power 9. Is it clear, children? So 3.64 into 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 9. Okay. Again we can substitute in the formula, product rule formula. So now what will you get? So the answer will be 3.64 into 10 to the power 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. So 3.64 into 10 to the power 10. Is it clear, children? Very easy, right? We can also write this in 2 steps. Okay. So if you can, and if you understood this means we can write it in directly as the answer. Okay, direct answer கூட நம்ம எழுதிடலாம். இது நல்லா புரிஞ்சிருச்சு அப்படின்னா. Is it clear, children? Okay, let us do the next one. See, 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 5, 2 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, now we are going to combine this. See, we are having brackets here so that we can put the multiply into symbol, right? So we can write it as 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. Is it clear, children? Okay, now what we need to do? Let us multiply the numbers first. Okay, 3.7 into 2. Now multiply 3.7 into 2. So 7 2s are 14. Okay, 4. And 1 as they carry 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Now we got 74. Okay, see, we are having only one digit before a unit place. We are having decimal points. So 7.4 is the answer. Okay, so now we got 7.4 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so it seems it's like product rule, right? So we can simply add the powers. See, minus 5 minus 3. So what will you get? We need to add these two and put the same sign. So 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, minus 8 is the answer. So we can write it directly as 7.4 into 10 to the power minus 8. Is it clear, children? Okay, copy this in your classwork notebook. Okay, children, write this example 1.40 in your classwork notebook. Okay, so see, read the question. Write the following scientific notations in standard form. Okay, we are going to convert the scientific notations in standard form. Okay, children, so let's see the first question. 2.27 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, 2.27 into 10 to the power minus 4. So how will you make this in standard form? So already we have learned to convert standard form to scientific notation. Now how will you convert the scientific notations to standard form? Okay, let us see. Okay, children, see, already we have learned, right? See, if the point is moving in the left side, we need to put plus. Okay, plus in the power. If the point is moving in the right side, we need to put minus in the power, right? This is the thing we have learned in the earlier, right? So now we are going to do, see, what is the question? 2.27. Okay, that is the whole number. There's a number given, right? So 2.27. So, and the power we are having minus 4. So minus 4 means, so what we said? So if you are putting minus 4 means the decimal point moves in the right side. The decimal point moves in the right side. So now what we can do? Okay, let us do. See, we are having 2.27, right? See, the decimal point moves to the, if it moves to the right side means only we will put the negative power. So now we need to put zeros in front of the digits. Okay, now let us check. Okay, so 1, okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we got 0.0027. Okay, children, so the point moves before this one. So the answer we will get is 0 point, okay, 3 zeros, 0 0 0 2 2 7. Is it clear, children? So what we said, if the point moves in the right side, we need to put the negative sign. So that we need to put 4 0. Okay, we need to move 4 zeros before this point. Okay, so negative sign powerல standard formula மாற்ற சொல்லி இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், we need to move 5 steps in front, okay, in front of the given numbers. Okay, children, so now we just had moved 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 steps we had moved. So for all the steps we just put the zeros. Okay, children, so now the answer is, okay, the point is now here. Okay, the point is now here. So now the answer is 0.000227. Is it clear now? Okay, let us do the next one. See, light travels at 1.86 into 10 to the power 5 miles per second. Okay, light travels at 1.86 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, 1.86 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, children, so 10 to the power 5 means, so as we have said, so if the point moves in the left side means we will put the plus sign in the power, right? So that we need to move the points to the right side. We need to count the digits. Okay, we need to add zeros in the right side. Okay, children, we need to count to the right. See, how will you count? 1.86 is here, right? So we need to count 5 digits in the right side. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now 0 0 0, and here we will get the point. Is it clear, children? So now the answer is 186,000. Okay, here we will get points. So no need to write that point. So simply we can write miles. Okay, so 1,86,000 miles per second also we need to write. Okay, miles per second. Is it clear, children? So we need to have in mind, okay, see, if the point moves in the left side means we need to put positive sign, and if the point moves in the right side means we need to put the negative sign. This is the thing we have learned to convert from standard form to scientific notation. Okay, so in scientific notation, if we move to the left side means we need to put plus sign in the power. So while writing the standard form, we need to count, okay, we need to move the zeros to the right side. அப்படியே ஆப்போசிட்டா பண்ணணும், சரியா? If there is plus sign in the power means we need to move the digits in the right side. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 digits we just had moved to the right side. Okay, here the power is negative. So என்ன பண்ணணும், அப்படியே ஆப்போசிட். இப்போ the right side போயிருந்தா நெகட்டிவ்னு சொல்லியிருக்கோமா? So that in this we need to move to the left side. Okay, left side we need to move 4 steps. Okay, so if you move 4 steps means we got the standard form as 0.000227. Is it clear, children? Okay, copies in your classwork notebook. Okay, let us do the exercise sum. Exercise 8th one. Write the question in your classwork notebook. Okay, children, let us see the expand using exponents from exercise 1.6. Okay, children, write this question in your classwork notebook. Okay, see the first one. 6054.321. Okay, children, so as the first step we are going to expand this. Okay, children, already we have learnt about the expanded form, right? So now we are going to expand this. Okay, See, we are having 6054, right? See, first of all, we need to check, okay? We need to count only the whole number part, okay, before the decimal point. Okay, children? Okay, children, see in the whole number part, we are having 6054, okay? Let us expand this whole number part, okay? So, see, put 6. Now count the remaining digits, 1, 2, 3, okay? 3 digits, so put 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. Is it clear? Okay, for the 0, okay, simply put 0. Only 0 is there, right? So 0. Put plus, okay? Now 5. So now after 5, how many digits? Only 1 digit, okay? Now we can also see simply we're just writing 5, right? Now hide this 5. How many digits are there? Only 1 digit. So put only 1 0. Okay, children? And at the last we are having 4. Okay? So now we had completed the whole number part. Okay, children? Now we need to write the decimal point as a fraction. Okay, we can write the decimal point as the fraction. Okay, children? Now for the decimal point we need to start. This one is the ones, this one is tens, and this one is hundreds. Okay, see in whole number part this one is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, right? So 6 is 6000, 0 is 0, and 5 is tens place, so 50. It is ones place, so 4, right? But in the decimal part, this one is ones, okay? This one is ones, and this one is tens, and this one is, okay, ones and tens, and then it is hundreds. Okay, children? So now let us write, okay? See, we should write this in the form of fraction. So how will you write? So 3 by 10. Okay, 3 by 10. Okay, sorry, tens. So this one is tens. This one is hundreds, this one is thousands. Okay, children, so 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 1 by 1000. Is it clear, children? So likewise, we need to expand this one. Okay. So till now, we just did the normal expanded form. Okay. Now we are going to expand this by using the exponents. Okay, children. So now let us do this. See, in the expansion form of the exponents, we need to have only 1 digit, right? Only 1 digit in the whole number part, right? So 6, okay, put 6, okay, here 6 is the only digit, so put 6 into 10, okay. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, okay. How many zeros? 3 zeros, so put 3. So 6 into 10 power 3. Is it clear, children? Okay, for that you just put bracket. Okay, we just had completed the 6000. Okay, so put plus 0. Okay, for the 0 no value, right? So simply put the same 0. That's it. Okay, and then 50 is there, right? So write 5 into 10 to the power. How many 0? Only 1 0. So put the power 1. Is it clear, children? Okay, now put the bracket. Okay, we just had completed this 50. So just put the bracket. Okay, children? And then the next is 4, right? So put plus 4. Okay. So how will you write this as exponent? We can write this as into 10 to the power 0, right? A power 0 equal to 1. So simply 4 into 1, it is 4, right? So 4 into 10 power 0. Okay. Now we have completed this 4. So we just put this bracket. Okay. And the next is 3 by 10. So 3 by 10, how will you write? So put plus 3 by 10. How will you write? So if it is in the denominator means we need to put minus sign. Okay, if the number is in fraction form means we need to put minus. Okay, minus in the power. So how will you write? Okay, write 3 into 10. So how many zeros are here? Only 1 0, but that 0 is in the denominator. So put minus 1. Okay, so 3 into minus 1. Is it clear, children? 3 into 10 to the power minus 1. Okay, now the next one, 2 by 100. 2 by 100, how will you write? 2 into 10 to the power. How many zeros here? 1, 2. Okay, 2 zeros. Okay, but in the denominator, right? So that we need to put minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Again put plus. And here we are having 1 by 1000, right? So put 1 into 10 to the power. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros in the denominator, so 3 minus 3. Is it clear, children? So this is the answer. Very easy, right? See 10 into 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0 plus 5 into 10 to the power 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0 plus 3 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is the answer. Is it clear, children? Okay, so in this model, second sum is your homework. Okay, children? Okay, so after completing this, write the 9th question. 9th question, first one, okay? So write this in your classwork notebook. Okay, children, write the 9th question in your classwork notebook. So read the question. Find the number in standard form for the following exponents. Okay, find the number in standard form. Okay, we are going to write this expanded form into standard form. Okay, children. So very easy. Okay, see, let us write the first step. Okay, see here we are having 8, right? So put the same 8. So 8 into 10 to the power 4, right? So for this 4, we need to put 4 zeros. Is it clear, children? So now put 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it is 80,000. Okay, 80,000 plus. Okay, and then 7 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, so for this power 3, we need to put 3 zeros. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, children. So 80,000 plus 7,000. Okay, and then the next is 6 into 10 to the power 2. Okay, so put 6. So 10 to the power 2 is there, right? So put 2 times 0. Okay, 2 zeros. 1, 2. Okay, so plus 600. Okay, children. And then next one. See, 5 into 10 to the power 1. So 5 into 5 and then 1 0. Okay, 5 and then 1 0. So 50. Okay. And then 2 into 1. So how will you write? 2 into 1 means? So we need to put simply the 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, right? So simply we should put 2. Okay. And then write plus. Okay. So now 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. So if there is minus in the power means, how will you write? We need to write as the fraction, right? So 4 upon, okay, 4 by 10. Okay, how many zeros? 2, right? Minus 2 is there. So 2 zeros we need to put. 1, 2. Okay, that is 4 by 100. Okay, 4 upon 100. Is it clear, children? Okay. The next is 7 into 10 power minus 4. So 7 upon, okay, 7 by 10 to the power minus 4 means we need to put 4 zeros. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, children. So 80,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 2 plus 4 by 100 plus 7 by 10,000. Okay, children. So now, can we write this in the standard form? Okay. See, we are having 8. Okay. So the next is 7,000. Okay, so 7. Okay, children. So it is 80,000 plus it is 7,000. Okay. So if you got confusing means you can write this in the place value chart also. Okay, we can write the whole number part in the place value chart. Okay, if you are confusing, if this is confusing for you means you can write this in the place value chart and you can also check. Okay, see here it is 80,000. Okay, it is 7,000 and then it is 600. Okay, so there is no gap in between these. Okay. See 80,000, 7,000, 600, 50 and then 2. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. And in the decimal part, see, we are not having the tens place, right? We are not having the tens place. Hundreds place is here, okay? And thousands place is not here, thousandth. So 2 numbers are missing, okay? So now it is right. So 876, write only the first term. Okay, so 876 and then 5 and then 2. Okay, we had checked it, so that simply we are just writing the first term. Okay, children. So now we just completed the whole number of parts, so that just put point, decimal point. So after the decimal point, we are not having the term 10th place, right? So that for that we need to put a 0. Okay, and we are having hundreds place, so put 4. And thousands place is not there, so put again another 0. Okay, 10,000 place is there, so that put 7. So now we got the standard form. Is it clear, children? So 87,652.0407 is the answer. Is it clear, children? Okay, let us do the next one. Children, have you all completed? Shall we wrap? Okay, let us see the next one. Okay. See 10th question. Write the first one in your classwork notebook. Children, read the 10th question. Write the following numbers in scientific notation. Very easy, right? We're going to write this in the scientific notation. Okay. So, what is the condition? We need to have only one digit in front of the decimal part. Okay. In the whole number part, we need to have only one digit. Okay. See, if you are moving the points to the right side means we need to have the power as minus. And if you are moving the points to the left side means you will get the power as plus. Okay, children. So, these are all the things we need to have this in your mind. Okay, children. Now, let us write this in scientific notation. So, as a first step, we need to have only one digit in the whole number part. Okay, 4.678. Okay, we should not write all these zeros. Okay, for this, what we need to do? We need to put into 10. Okay, into 10. Okay, now, where is the decimal point? Okay, in this question, here we are having decimal point, right? So, it moves. Okay, first step. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11. Okay. How many steps? 11 steps it just moved forward. So that moved backward. Okay. So 11. Okay. 10 power 11. So in which direction? In left side. So we need to put plus sign. Okay, children. So what is the answer? 4.678 into 10 to the power 11. Is it clear, children? Okay, let us see the next one. See 0.000001972. This is the question. Okay, now let us write this in scientific notation. See, which is the condition? We need to have only one digit in the whole number part. We should not have 0 as the first number. We should have a number except 0 from 1 to 9, right? So, the first number is 1. So, 1.972 into 10 to the power. Okay. So, where is the decimal point? Here is the decimal point. We are just moving to the right side. So, let us move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many digits? 6 digits in the right side. So, that we need to put negative sign. Okay. Minus 6. So, clear, children? So, the answer is 1.972 into 10 to the power minus 6. Very easy, right? Okay, that's all about today's class. Okay, let me give you today's homework. Okay, so your homework is, okay, in 8th sum, okay, in 8th sum, second is your homework. Okay, expand using exponents. We need to expand this one and then we need to write it in the exponent form. Is it clear, children? And then in 9th one, so we just did the first question. So, second and third is your homework. Okay, second and third is your homework. Is it clear, children? So, third sum is in the model of example 1.40. So, this sum is in the model of example 1.40. Okay, so do it properly. Okay, and in 10th one, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, children. So, these sums are your homework. Okay, children. Okay, children, note your homework. Your homework is from page number 45, exercise 1.6. Okay, from the 8th sum, second one, from the 9th sum, second and third, and from the 10th sum, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, totally 6 sums. Okay, children, do your homework properly. Okay, thank you.